Do you understand English when you watch videos, but feel nervous when you speak?
Do you know many English words, but freeze when someone asks you a simple question?
Do you translate in your head and then forget what you wanted to say?
If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone.
Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
This is Easy English with me.
I am Emma.
And I am David.
Today, we're going to practice real English together.
You will listen.
You will speak.
You will repeat.
And most importantly, you will build confidence.
By the end of today's lesson, you will speak many useful English sentences.
So relax.
Don't worry about mistakes.
And let's begin.
Emma, can I tell you something?
Of course, David.
I really want to speak English fluently.
That's great.
But sometimes I feel nervous.
Why do you feel nervous?
Because I know many words.
Okay.
But when I try to speak, I forget everything.
That is very common.
Really?
Yes, many English learners feel the same way.
That makes me feel better.
Learning a language takes time.
Sometimes I think my English is not good enough.
Don't think that way.
Why not?
Because every learner starts somewhere.
That's true.
Nobody speaks perfectly on the first day.
Not even native speakers?
Not even native speakers.
Wow.
The important thing is practice.
Practice every day?
Exactly.
Even 5 minutes?
Even 5 minutes.
That sounds easy.
It is easier than studying for 3 hours and then quitting.
I think you're right.
Let me ask you a question.
Sure.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to travel.
Nice.
I want to watch movies without subtitles.
Good goal.
And I want to talk to people from different countries.
Those are wonderful reasons.
What about you, Emma?
I love meeting new people.
Me too.
English helps us connect with the world.
That's true.
And the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
I hope so.
You don't need hope.
What do I need?
You need consistency.
Consistency?
Yes, a little practice every day.
I can do that.
Excellent.
What should I do first?
Let's practice a real conversation.
Okay.
Imagine we are meeting for the first time.
Sounds good.
Ready?
Ready?
Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hello, my name is David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from England. What about you?
I'm from Canada.
That's wonderful.
Do you like learning languages?
Yes, I do. I enjoy learning new things.
That's great.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Those are nice hobbies.
Thank you.
Do you enjoy English?
Yes, I do. English is very useful.
I agree.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
That conversation was easy.
Exactly.
The sentences were short.
And natural.
I think I can use those sentences.
You absolutely can.
What should we practice next?
Let's try another real-life situation.
Great.
Imagine you're at a coffee shop. I like coffee. Perfect. Let's do it. Good morning. What would you like? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Sure. Small or large? Large, please. Would you like anything else? Yes, I'd like a sandwich. Anything to drink besides coffee? No, thank you. Your total is $5. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Excellent job. That felt like a real conversation. Because it is a real conversation. I understand. The best way to learn English is to use it. Not just study grammar. Grammar is important. But speaking is important too. Exactly. I feel more confident already. That's wonderful. What comes next? Next, we're going to do shadowing practice. My favorite part. Listen carefully and repeat after us. Get ready. Let's continue. Welcome to the shadowing practice section.
This is where your speaking gets stronger.
Listen carefully.
Then repeat out loud.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Let's begin.
Sentence 1. Good morning.
Sentence 2. How are you today?
Sentence 3. I am doing well.
Sentence 4. Thank you for asking.
Sentence 5. What is your name?
Sentence 6. My name is Emma.
Sentence 7. Nice to meet you.
Sentence 8. Nice to meet you too.
Sentence 9. Where are you from?
Sentence 10. I am from England.
Sentence 11. I live in a big city.
Sentence 12. I am learning English.
Sentence 13. I study every day.
Sentence 14. English is important.
Sentence 15. I enjoy learning languages.
Sentence 16. I want to improve.
Sentence 17. I can do it.
Sentence 18. I believe in myself.
Sentence 19. I am getting better.
Sentence 20. Practice makes progress.
Excellent.
Let's continue.
Sentence 21. I wake up early.
Sentence 22.
I make my bed. Sentence 23. I brush my teeth.
Sentence 24. I take a shower.
Sentence 25. I eat breakfast.
Sentence 26. I drink coffee.
Sentence 27. I go to work.
Sentence 28. I go to school.
Sentence 29. I take the bus.
Sentence 31. I walk to work.
Sentence 31. I have a busy day.
Sentence 32. I enjoy my job.
Sentence 33. I like my classes.
Sentence 34. I meet new people.
Sentence 35. I learn something new.
Sentence 36. I have lunch.
Sentence 37. I drink water.
Sentence 38. I work hard.
Sentence 39. I stay positive.
Sentence 40. I go home.
Great job.
Now let's practice conversations.
Sentence 41. How was your day?
Sentence 42. My day was good.
Sentence 43. What are you doing?
Sentence 44. I am studying English.
Sentence 45. Can you help me?
Sentence 46. Of course I can.
Sentence 47. Thank you very much.
Sentence 48. You're welcome.
Sentence 49. I don't understand.
Sentence 50. Can you repeat that?
Sentence 51. Please speak slowly.
Sentence 52. That's a good idea.
Sentence 53. I agree with you.
Sentence 54. That sounds great.
Sentence 55. Let's do it.
Sentence 56. I am ready.
Sentence 57. What do you think?
Sentence 58. I think so.
Sentence 59. That makes sense.
Sentence 60. I understand now.
Wonderful.
Keep speaking.
Sentence 61. I like reading books.
Sentence 62. I enjoy listening to music.
Sentence 63. I love watching movies.
Sentence 64. I play sports.
Sentence 65. I like swimming.
Sentence 66. I enjoy cooking.
Sentence 67. I spend time with friends.
Sentence 68. I visit my family.
Sentence 69. I travel when I can.
Sentence 70. I take lots of pictures.
Sentence 71. I enjoy nature.
Sentence 72. I like sunny days.
Sentence 73. My favorite food is pasta.
Sentence 74. I like trying new foods.
Sentence 75. I enjoy learning every day.
Sentence 76. Life is beautiful.
Sentence 77. Every day is a new chance.
Sentence 78. I am thankful today.
Sentence 79.
I am happy to be here. Sentence 80. I am proud of myself.
Amazing work.
Final section.
Sentence 81. I want to speak fluently.
Sentence 82. I practice every day.
Sentence 83. I am not afraid of mistakes.
Sentence 84. Mistakes help me learn.
Sentence 85. I listen carefully.
Sentence 89. I stay motivated.
Sentence 90.
I never give up.
Sentence 91. I can communicate in English.
Sentence 92. I understand more every day.
Sentence 93. I enjoy this challenge.
Sentence 94. I am building confidence.
Sentence 95. I am becoming a better speaker.
Sentence 96. My English is improving.
Sentence 97. I can do difficult things.
Sentence 98. I am ready for day 2.
Sentence 99. I will keep practicing English.
Fantastic!
You just completed 99 shadowing sentences.
Take a moment and feel proud.
You spoke English for several minutes.
And every sentence made you stronger.
Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Now let's move to the vocabulary and quiz section.
Excellent work, everyone.
You completed 99 shadowing sentences.
Now let's learn some useful vocabulary.
These are words you can use every day.
Word number 1, practice.
Practice means doing something again and again to get better.
Example, I practice English every day.
Word number 2, confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself.
Example, speaking English gives me confidence.
Word number 3, improve. Improve means to become better.
Example, I want to improve my English.
Word number 4, conversation. A conversation is when people talk together.
Example, Emma and David are having a conversation.
Word number 5, fluent. Fluent means speaking easily and naturally.
Example, I want to become fluent in English.
Word number 6, challenge. A challenge is something difficult that helps you grow.
Example, this 30-day challenge will help me improve.
Word number 7, repeat.
Repeat means to say something again.
Example, please repeat the sentence.
Word number 8, progress.
Progress means getting better little by little.
Example,
I can see my progress every week.
Great job.
Now, let's see how much you remember.
It's quiz time.
Don't worry.
This is only for practice.
Question 1.
What should you do every day to improve your English?
Answer: practice English every day.
Excellent.
Question 2.
Is it okay to make mistakes?
Answer: yes, mistakes help us learn.
Perfect.
Question 3.
What does confidence mean?
Answer:
Confidence means believing in yourself. Very good.
Question 4.
What does repeat mean?
Answer:
It means to say something again. Correct.
Question 5.
What is your goal in this challenge?
Answer:
To speak English more confidently and naturally.
Wonderful!
You are doing great!
Now let's finish day 1 with some speaking tips.
Tip number 1.
Speak English every day.
Even 5 minutes is helpful.
Tip number 2.
Listen to English every day.
Podcasts, videos, and conversations are all useful.
Tip number 3.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Tip number 4.
Repeat sentences out loud.
Shadowing is a powerful way to improve.
Tip number 5.
Be patient.
Learning English takes time.
Small steps every day create big results.
Emma, how do you feel after day 1?
I feel excited
Why?
because our listeners worked hard today.
I agree.
They listened. They repeated. They practiced.
And they took the first step.
The first step is always important.
That's true.
If you completed today's lesson, be proud of yourself. You are already making progress.
Tomorrow, we will continue our challenge.
Day 2 will bring more conversations,
More vocabulary
more speaking practice.
and more confidence.
Before we go, here is your challenge.
Today, speak 10 English sentences out loud.
Talk about your day. Talk about your family.
Talk about your hobbies.
Just keep speaking.
Remember, fluency is not about perfection.
It is about practice,
It is about confidence.
and it is about communication.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for being part of Easy English with me.
I am Emma.
And I am David.
Keep learning. Keep speaking.
And we will see you in day 2.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye!